welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix we have Marcia. And Marcia came out to address Donna as she said she eventually heard that she was speaking about her. So basically, she's here addressing her, letting her know that, she has more money, that she's able to basically take care of herself, and she has a roof over her head. So guys, you would need to go and catch the video to hear what Marcia has to say about this. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating your wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you prosperity and everything that your heart truly desires this year. For all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, my subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day.
Donna, this message is for you. I may have strength for and other people. Somebody just called me a while ago and say over your page a drop word for me. I mean, no say me I talk about. The truth is always going to hurt. First of all, me is a woman of God. And you not got a church like me. And me know a scammer and a thief when me see one. Me know when me see it. And you are a scammer and a thief when it comes to taking charity money that does not belong to you. Me not say you can't take some, but you take too much for yourself and build up yourself. Me I could address my part. Me hear it as some of we over here, we don't have nowhere to live. Donna, let me make it clear to you. Me have my money. Me working. And me working a hard working money. And me have somewhere to live. And which part me live, it is better than which part you live. Me live in a prestigious residential area in America. And you live in a ghetto. My money when me work is a honest, hard working money. Yes, you have your little business where you sell a little pudding, but all of the money where you spend and build up yourself, it is not yours. I mean, I can go over it. Donna, me have somewhere to live. And me I go tell you straight up, you could have chat until tomorrow morning. I make more money than you on a weekly basis. Me now ask you, if it in American dollars and in Jamaican dollars, you cannot speak to me, Donna. So if me want to buy a house and me want to put a roof on my head according to you, what are you trying to say? Donna, you can't chat to me. You're broke and you're guilty and you're stressed and you're an embarrassment to charity. I mean, I care what you want to say. You're full of stress. That's why you go to Jamaica, you left America, you claim say you have green card. Workless, you're workless. And you have no ambition. And you left, you get a paper for America and left and gone back to Jamaica, go and sit down in a veranda and up a top a ghetto, mountain top, and look over and say you have green card America and you say you are 50 years old. When you still could have come America said we come do something. You're a businesswoman. Your name depend one lady bun. And what else you have coming in where you not hide? What else you have coming in where you not hide? That is not your money, make it. Not your money, do it. Me not argue with you because I'm afraid of you. I'm afraid of none of you doing as them. You are a very dishonest person. You are a very dishonest person. And then you can't walk in my shoes no time. Go learn to buy a good boot put for your foot. Your foot them ugly. Your toe them look like a ginger toe spread way like a wild a potato leaf where you grow in a field. Move yourself. What you look like. Where you say you're a businesswoman and sit down on veranda, what are you doing? You're a YouTuber. You is a workless YouTuber. That is what it is. A people money I spend, me I spend my money. And which part me rent. It is very nice and lovely. And Donna, me have my hard working money. The money we have spent over the years is charity money. You use build up your pudding, build up your house, buy your cars, buy people car, build up house above rock, and do what you want to do. You can't sleep at night time, me can't sleep peacefully. You cannot. Go on about the business, Donna. I don't care what you want to say. Bye. Go learn to wear good shoes. Skettle girl. Dishonest thieving girl. God give you something to do. And where do? Thief God. That's why 6 years later, you have to go back to Cropsies. The amount of money will come in your hand. You should have a big charity bringing millions of dollars. But guess what now? Your charity broke down. You have to go back to regular Mr. Perry, Kwame, and go back to square one. Move from here, so. Your favor. Patu. Careless girl. Broke pocket girl. Me have my money. And which part me rent and lay down. It is very nice. Very nice. And guess what? Me happy and stress free. And me nah mind no man. Me nah mind no boy. And me nah mind the whole of people of Jamaica. Go and look at work. And go establish your own money. You don't have nothing coming. You're broke girl.